And I'm proud to be a Turmerican, where at least I know I'm... Whoa. Hi, I'm Tracy Lockwood Beckerman, a registered dietitian in New York City, and it's my job to help you figure out what to eat and why. Today's topic is turmeric. You might have been hearing all about its anti-inflammatory properties recently. You are rocking some anti-inflammatory power. But is a golden milk latte worth its weight in gold, or is turmeric not gonna spice up your life as much as you might have thought? Go for the gold! This is the good stuff. Let's get to the root of turmeric on this episode of You vs. Food. Turmeric is a spice made from the root of the turmeric plant, which is related to ginger. So turmeric, are you really excited to go on tour with the Spice Girls? Yes, I am. It is grown in India, Asia, and Central America, and has been incorporated in holistic medicine practice for centuries. You've most likely seen it as a cooking spice on its own. That's when the root is peeled, boiled, dried, and ground up. It's also a main ingredient in curry powder. There's a compound in turmeric called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric has been linked to many health benefits, from settling an upset stomach to managing anxiety to reducing the risk of developing heart disease and even Alzheimer's. Hence why everyone is calling it a superfood, which I guess means it has a day job, then puts a cape on at night and saves the world. Super spice! A good amount of research has actually been done on this little guy. There have been randomized control trials investigating the benefits of turmeric, which is considered the gold standard of research. Takeaways were predominantly inconclusive, but turmeric actually does look promising for anti-inflammatory effects and can even help relieve soreness after a hard workout. So, crush those squats and have a turmeric-infused meal after. I know you may think you're all that, but you stain everything. Turmeric isn't a disease-curing magical fairy dust, but some of the science is promising when it comes to the potent anti-inflammatory effects. Still, there's a lot more research to be done, but there are actually some current studies on how it could help treat and protect us from a variety of cancers, colitis, diabetes, and surgical pain. Like right now! How exciting! Robert Frost once wrote, "Nothing gold can stay." But it's time we make an exception because I believe that turmeric deserves a place in your pantry. Eat this, Robert Frost! See you next time for another episode of You vs. Food. Subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel for more episodes of You vs. Food. Like right now! Over here! You could do it! It's a turmerical that we're done with this one. And we can cut the curcumin. Nope, that's okay.